제가 원래 전 직장이 토론토 다운타운이었단 말이야. 출근길이 아주 지옥 같았어. 아주 지옥 같았단 말이지. 근데 내가 직장을 옮겼거든. 시골로 옮기면서 너무 좋은 게 하나 있어. 뭐 이것저것 많이, 뭐 직장도 좋고 뭐 새로운 환경이고 사람들도 좋고 하지만 굉장히 만족스러운 건 이 출근길. 매일같이 해야 되는데 이 출근길이 너무나도 상쾌하다. 이 노래가 절로 나온다. 이 기분 좋은 여름날에 이런 출근길을 맞이할 수 있다는 게 너무 좋습니다. 얼굴은 졸라게 부었지만 이 노래로 저희 기쁨을 표현해보겠습니다. Let's go. Let's go. Yes.
Would you want me down? Would you walk away? Would you write it down to make it say? Would you make it ten? 나만 있으면 돼. Would you switch your man? Would you stay the same?
Okay. Alright, let's find out where they are. So we're gonna go single for now until we get our new. Yeah, I get a couple of teaspoons of sugar.
Sugar? See it? There's sugar in the middle. I love our season dressings.
So can you drop which is granite banana? So you start. How many leaves, staff? Let's see if you remember. More like depending on sizing, 12, 14. It's about how it looks more than about pieces, right? Very important. You want to get a nice amount of salt and the garlic oil, right? It has to have that nice bite when you bite into the Caesar. So again, it contrasts the crisp of the greens. Got 10 pieces here. Again, we're going by sizing. Okay, dress. Every leaf before it goes into the plate has to be fully dressed. Take the time, find the detail. Light mix. You don't want this, guys. See? All the dressing on one side and then there's nothing on the next. Even amounts. So you want to start always with your biggest leaves as your base. That's your foundation. It's like you're building a house of cards. Make almost a triangle, square. You really want to get that nice base. It's more about, again, layers. How it looks on the plate. Horseradish next. All the Caesars get horseradish. And we're gonna go with the grated parm. Granite banana. The bacon gets tucked in on the side. Think of like ears. So whichever way, if you're going vertical this way, the opposite way. Your anchovies here. And crisscross. You go the opposite way, and always the flesh side up. We want to showcase that. Okay. Got the bits. Nicely picked. Very nicely even here. Yeah.
It's supposed to be
Yes. Essentially, yeah. Pickled chilies and jalapenos. It's always 1-to-1. So sugar to vinegar. So if we're doing 1 liter, finish with the cheese, and we're gonna finish with the pistachios, right? Ideally, it's a little bit of that smokiness to it. You're not drowning, just like a touch, right? Yeah. Don't want to do any of these huge shots here. Alright. Yes. You guys can eat.
Oh, thank you.
You already have the lettuce, right?
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah. So those are all the vessels for the tartare, right? Now you can freehand the tartare here.
Do you want the rim?
Either one of those. And then there's the tartare mix. The salt. Give it a really good mix. And then I did sort of a large 3 dots on here. And then almost a half egg yolk. And then sliced chili.
As you're always going to be reaching over. You know, like when we get going is you already have the lettuce, right?
Yeah.
So when we make this, we're blitzing up the fleur de latte with a little bit of milk and cream, a touch of salt. You don't want to over season it, right? Because it's a company, right? It's supposed to be clean. It's about 3 tablespoons here. Just want to make it even, just spread it out. So season the greens, a little bit of olive oil here. This watercress. It bruises very easily, guys, so you don't want to do it vigorously, just kind of just coat it. Yes. So do a little bit on the bottom here. Try to even out your bites. So I'm reserving half. See what I mean? Just like the light little bit that I just dressed it still was slightly bruised. And you don't want these like huge woody bits. Just dotting around here, just filling it. These walnuts, slightly bitter, guys. So let's watch the toast on these. If they're whole, you can just break them in half. Green oil bottle. Savano, you know how. Okay. Okay, you guys are gonna need shaved ice. Ideally, again, I would like you guys to have a scoop here, like a metal scoop. It will make your life so much easier. You don't have to go so far up too. Like, I think last year you guys were doming it, like almost. This is good, it suffices. Okay. So, anytime you're going to shuck an oyster, okay, fully clothed, and then here's your incision point. You kind of want to just like wiggle, incision, and pop. I'm gonna do one. You guys can do the other, right? I'm also left-handed. Right, so there, incision's made. You lift, and then you straighten. Top, you kind of like peek here, keep it intact as much as possible. Right? Then you're gonna look, the most important thing, right after you open it, is what?
Eat it.
So if it smells like the ocean, you're good. If it smells like anything, get rid of it. Now we're looking for shards, any sort of debris, anything like that, right? And then you're just scooping under. So it's gotta be fully released. Like shake it, then you know you're good. Sabe, you know how. Okay. Jason?
이건 기회야. 형님들한테 깊은 인상을 남겨주는 거야.
So we'll shove a few. We'll do like 8 pieces. I know you're good. The cucumber, the orange, the purple. 1 ounce. We had one from last year. Yeah. So each
It's gonna go.
we cook twice a day. Yeah.
We're using core of avocado. Peel out the skin. Depending on how fast we're gonna go through it, like this can be done like 1 hour before. But it's all depending on how much we go through. We don't wanna go prepare too much of this ahead of time because it's gonna go brown. You're going on a triangle shape. You need at least 6 pieces because I'm gonna have 6 pieces of a slice. You're going against the grain. So the grain is going on this side. So I'm going against the grain like this.
Hey, you're using everything on the fish, right? Maybe 1 or 2. Ideally, because it's nice and glossy, it's gonna start going. It's about fresh. Here, like we did before, against the grain, like you said. So you're everything in 6.
And you're placing the avocado now, pieces, but strategically kind of planned, so make the look is kind of even.
What was that?
Radish.
So people are like, oh, man, it's really the fish or the sauce, right?
Thank you.
These ones. So 3 segments will be 1 order because you have to cut them in half. You can do this sauce?
And then leche de tigre.
But it's creamy how we do it, right? So once we blend it in the Vitamix, we're gonna have all that pulp from the celery and the other vegetables. You strain it. We want the milk. We don't want the pulp. So we just start the pulp.
So leche here, and then green oil. Not so much. Empty spaces. that you want it on it.
We're just filling it. We finish with almond salt and micro cilantro. That's good. They have some. I think I can give you guys a half of the chicken. Rice paper, we're gonna do this to service, so like if you maybe 3 or 4 pieces right in the morning, and we're not going to put the seasoning, the habanero on it. Because someone, if they say I don't want habanero on it, then you can do right.
So habanero seasoning goes after this.
Season to work.
So this one is already seasoned. You're kind of breaking into 6 pieces here. Be gentle, and then this one is very humidity sensitive as well. So once you get that rice paper placed, habanero time. Just like this. Adding up the seasoning here. We're just gonna go.
We cook twice a day. Yeah. Seniors from the tuna, freshest from the veg. So quarter cup, nice tuna. We can go a little bit bigger on this. I want to showcase the nice dice, like almost like a carry dice. Okay. And it's a quarter cup.
It's not very important.
You don't have that time. Just keep it on your station. Just dump it, right?
This pickle jalapeno, the chili, chopped cilantro. Big red onion, lime juice, leche.
So we use the leche twice. So I foresee agua chile.
Salt, leche. You still want to see sort of a little bit of moisture on while mixing it. Okay. Transfer to. Yeah, onion need to be thinner. This is coconut milk. Shake it well before you place it. Yeah.
Just goes around. It goes around.
Thin layer of coconut milk, and then you're drizzling. Green oil. This taco shell is going to be also sort of fried into orders, but we're not like cooked to the orders, but we're just going to be cooked to service. And then this is going to be also unseasoned, and this already seasoned with tahini. Let's pretend this is not seasoned and no tahini here, okay? Put on top up here, and then tahini.
And then they make little shards, little chips. Zinnias from the tuna, freshly from the veg. Okay. Oh, that's it. Because when you go to add everything, you're gonna cover it, right? Season with those. That's good. Okay, nice mountain in the middle. Because you're gonna build height with the sauce and the peanuts and the micro cilantro as well. Right? You see this line that's on the plate? Same thing like the Caesar. Right? Because you gotta make sure you strain your lemon juice and lime juice. Okay, chili crisp. Mix. About 2 nice tablespoons here. You don't want to over season it again because this thing is strong. Peanuts. Micro cilantro. Again, it's not a salad on top of it, it's garnish. Just needs a little bit. Okay. Oh, that's it. Every station always needs seasoning on every station. And remember, when you go to grill, losing maybe 10 to 15% of seasoning as it goes on the grill, you're flipping.
And ideally speaking, also you want to leave this out as soon as you get the orders. Leave this out at room temperatures.
It's like
Guys, very particular about grilling my steaks. Mid-rare is a 6-minute steak. Minute and a half. You don't do your cross marks from the same side of the steak. Put the steak down, flip, minute and a half, flip it back to the other side for the cross mark, and then finish with the cross mark. Cook it evenly. And always undercook steak. 10-minute rest, okay? So if you have an order fire steak, it's gonna take roughly 16 to 18. So if you're gonna serve the tuna always to the right of the guest, that means that when you're plating it, you plate the exact same way. Tuna, literally, minute and a half altogether. It's a protein that is not to be served hot in any way. It's going to be rare, and I mean rare blue, just like slightly searing it.
it's 1 tablespoon. Herb salad.
And these tomatoes, I can see that they were done with the torch. And so I'm just going to find a few spots. So if you're going to serve the tuna always to the right of the guest, that means that when you're plating it, you plate the exact same way. And the salad, we have the crispiness of the chicken. There really isn't a sweet element. A base of a sofrito, celery, onion, garlic, dill, Kalamata olive, tomato, and fresh chili. Essentially, the tomatoes are the last thing to go. We don't want to cook the tomatoes, so that whole base will then go on the plate. Crumbled feta on top of that, and then the chicken goes right on top. The heat of the chicken will soften up the feta, kind of melt it away a little bit.
Garnish on top
I
of
do
chicken.
want a shaker with smoked paprika or chili powder. And the salad, we have the crispiness of the chicken. There really isn't a sweet element.
Fish, the skin side needs to be oiled well, otherwise it will stick to the grill. But not too much oil. If it's too much oil, it will flame up.
Tad too much on its own.
Yeah.
And go easy on the seasoning. 90% of that fish will cook with its skin.
Inside down.
So whoever's on grill will be able to manage a little bit more rack going up, down. Essentially a 5-minute fish. The whole idea on that fish is the skin has to be crispy. Flip fish on the grill. So we always use bare tongs to gently lift the most accessible point. The movement of fish off of a grill is never forward with the spatula, it's up, straight up. So lifting the tail, spatula under, and gently lifting. Okay, and not scraping. Slowly?
Yeah.
What do you mean? And now leave it.
But it's
Scallop, but it's a
Oh, no, yeah, that